video is not about how many monuments Kazan has, not about the shopping streets or local cafes. This is something else, a quiet glimpse from above, a feeling you can't explain but only see, as if you're gliding through the wind, between the minarets and cathedrals, above the mighty Volga, through the heart of a city where east meets west. This is Kazan, where two worlds collide and live in peace. We're not here to guide you, we're here to show you what Kazan looks like from the sky. If you love seeing the world from above, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. New perspectives, new cities, a new flight every time.